This is basically what I have tried to achieve with particles, is to be able to move them through a path. For that, I use position textures. These textures are generated from GDScript. For example, here I have two paths and I am going to bake the position textures for path number 2. I have to select the node that contains the tool to bake the textures, and by doing this the particles start to follow the path. As you can see. So now I'm going to return back to the first path, so I bake again. Now I am going to show some of its properties. For that I'm going to reset some of them. I'm going to start with the speed. I'm going to increase to the maximum and you can see the effect. And then the properties of the noise. For example, the noise scale and the frequency. And you can see the effect of 3D noise on the particles. The mass that determines how much the steering forces will be applied. The mass tends to cancel the noise, so a balance has to be found. And now I'm going to increase the radial speed and decrease the velocity. As you can see, it's possible to use a massive number of particles. The low frame rate is due to the low capacity of my graphics card. It's a GT 730, and also because I am recording the screen. Maybe you can use many more. Now I will decrease the number to something more reasonable. And in the tutorial, I will explain some concepts that are quite interesting, and I hope they will put us in the path to rendering large amount of instances on low-end devices.